In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your CapCut account step by step, so you can do it quickly and without getting stuck in the process. Whether you're closing an old account, switching to a different profile, or simply no longer want to use CapCut, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your desktop and make sure you're logged into the correct profile. This part is important because you want to delete the right account, especially if you use multiple logins or connected services. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the full settings window where CapCut keeps your account and app preferences. Now, in the settings window, look across the top or far right side for the Account tab and click on it. This tab is where you'll find your account details, connected login methods, and account management options. After that, scroll all the way down the Account Details page until you see the Delete Account link or button at the bottom. This is the option you need to begin the deletion process. Once you click Delete Account, CapCut will usually take you through a verification step in an external browser. This is normal and helps confirm that it's really you requesting the removal. At this stage, you may be asked to log in through your linked Google, TikTok, or Facebook account, depending on how your CapCut profile is connected. Go ahead and complete that login and authorize the removal if prompted. If it asks you to confirm again, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully and continue until the account deletion request is fully verified. Make sure to read each prompt so you don't accidentally cancel the process or miss a required confirmation. Once everything is approved, your CapCut account deletion should move forward. Just remember that deleting your account is usually permanent, so if you have any important projects, drafts, or settings you want to keep, make sure to back them up before finishing. That way you won't lose anything important by mistake. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your CapCut account on desktop. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.